How you're feeling that you has been part of your state team? How many of you debated earlier?
Sir, I did.
Okay, that's great.
Sir, now. Sir, I did.
Okay, that's wonderful. Wonderful to see people across the spectrum. Cool. Take, you're saying something?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have not debated anymore.
Okay, that's incredible because you have not debated even you're part of a team. Okay. So anyway, let's record the session as it's recording. So we can start, and then the one who is not joined, they can see the recorded session. So as I mentioned, welcome to everyone for the round two orientation. And you can see you have already done well in the round one. So now we are looking to ensure that you also do well in the round two, which gonna be you will playing against the different states. All the students are here from 4 to 6 who have make to the round two. As I mentioned, congratulations to all of you. You make to the part second round. This already you know. Now we are looking at national issues. We will be looking at state by state, and most important thing, this time we are looking at 3 versus 3. So one, especially the one who have not debated earlier, this time we are looking to have teams from state competing against different states. So if you are, let's suppose, they coming from Punjab, so then Punjab need to be comfortable. All the students of 4 to 6 need to talk to each other. Okay, we will try to see how you can talk to each other. But the point is, when the debate is on say Monday, then you guys know each other, so you know who's the best speaker to go first, who's the second one, and who's the third one. That's primarily a new dimension to you, because you will also learn how to work along with your peers. That will be a new different element as compared to the first part. Otherwise everything in terms of reading, research, speaking will remain the same. Okay, and these are the themes that we will primarily look at 6, and also you will receive the themes by a particular matches. Okay, so now you are 4 to 6 each team. So for example, team of Punjab or team of Gujarat or team of Karnataka will play one match, and that's going to be a deciding factor. That's going to be a knockout. If you lose a match, then you are out of the ideal. If you win, then you go to the semifinals, which will be on the 1st of October. If you win from there, then you reach to the finals. So it's primarily winning, winning, winning. So if you lose, then you are out of the game. We are at the final stage, semi-final rounds. Again, the criteria remain the same: matter, manner, method. Now, obviously, you guys have done excellently well as compared to others, but still, I see students just reading it loud. Now we're looking you guys to improve your level. So each one of you need to be trained well, and for your category only, for 4 to 6, we will give the topic 24 hours prior. So you are much more comfortable as compared to others. Now, what does it mean? It means that you will do the reading and research on your topics, but that doesn't mean that you will write everything on the paper and just read it loud. You need to practice. You will take major point. You can use a paper and notes, but that means you just using that notes, and then you are speaking, you're looking at camera. We are having different and very good quality of debaters from across the India joining in for the this round. So you, this time it's not going to be ugly team who going to be educating you. We will have senior folks who gonna come, and they will tell you the result immediately. In round one, we have not announced who was the winner or not, or what kind of feedback, because we shy away from doing that. Now from here onwards, for each and every match, you will get a direct result that you, A versus B team, B wins. And what is the feedback? Were their structure not good? Were their construct not good? Or their style was not clear? That will be there. So now you need to be up your game. You have 3 to 4 days. We are looking at ensuring that we are able to give you, training sessions in upcoming days. But at the same time, you start preparing, especially matter you will focus. And I see a lot of students preparing very good on the matter. But the manner the style still need to be very much addressed, especially for 4 to 6. So you need to work on your manners, your presentation. Now coming to the main part, what is going to be the structure? So we will have we will have two teams, A and B. I'm just putting everyone on the mute. I will take all the question. So by 13, I will be finished with my presentation. I will ask and take each one of your questions. Otherwise, this time there are limited students, so we will be happy to take call and WhatsApp from everyone. So we will ensure that all your questions, queries get resolved today. So you are well prepared. As I mentioned, only for 4 to 6, you will receive the topic 24 hours prior in the same group. And then I will come to the schedule. What will happen that we will ask one of your team member to come and do a flip of a coin. If you follow cricket or even a debate, that when there is a motion, either one will speak for the motion and someone will speak against it. In the round one, we have given by our heuristics that this person will go for the motion and this person will go against the motion. Now from here onwards, we will not do it, as I said, now making it as any world quality debates, it's gonna be by a flip of a coin. So at 1 to 2 hours prior to the debate, for example, if your debate is at 4 or 5 p.m., couple of hours prior, a team member of you will come. You call them captain or you call them something else. They will come, they will flip the coin, virtual coin, and then the match will start. 45 minutes preparation will vary from team to team. That I will share in the schedule. Now, how it will flow. So the first speaker, if there's the proponent side, for side, the first speaker will speak for 3 minutes. Then the opponent will again speak for 3 minutes, and then second speaker from the team one, and then subsequently. So three from here, three from here, and everything. So the idea within that is that the first speaker from both sides will give the main arguments, will do the introduction, and the second one try to take the points from the first one and elaborate it or maybe add one or two more. But the third speaker is primarily doing a role of a reply speech on their behalf or on their team's behalf. So that's why you need to understand that you as a team need to be comfortable that who have done the most research, who is more comfortable in speaking first, and who is okay to go last. That's going to be a team deciding factor, because this time it's not you winning, it's going to be if your team do well, only you wins. That's most important. Now it's become a team's game, team sport. Now this is primarily the schedule look like. For Monday, we will start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We will do the tossing of the coin somewhere around 3 p.m. One of you will come and I will ask who gonna come from Punjab, who gonna come from Rajasthan. So for 4 to 6, because you are the youngest category on a batch, you will get the maximum time. So one, you will get 24 hours time to prepare on the topic. Then after 3 p.m., which is when we will do the toss of the coin, you will know which side you are speaking for. So you're getting here 3 to 4 hours, depending on are you from Delhi or Maharashtra. Then you will prepare on exact topics, and there you need to talk to your peers. So for 4 to 6, we are looking to have a match 6:15 to 7 between Delhi and Karnataka, 7 to 7:45 between Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. So everyone, and we will share this presentation in the WhatsApp group, so you are very much comfortable and aware about your schedule. So you please ensure that particular day you have that time slot with you. If you have tuition classes, maybe you can skip one day tuition class, because in a one day it get decided. So for example, 6:15 to 7 p.m. team need to focus only on one day. If they make it to the next day, then they need to worry about the semifinals. In a one day, the round two for a team will be over, because after Delhi Karnataka match, if Delhi wins, then Delhi goes to the semifinals. If Delhi don't win, then Delhi don't go to semifinals. That's all. So after at 7 p.m. you will be clear, are you going ahead or not? So your further time will not get taken away. This is day 2 schedule. Now you can see as the matches start bit late, the tossing of the coin also shifted to 3:45. And the matches for this age are not there. We have matches then on 29th, which is the last day. We have Punjab versus Rajasthan on 6 to 6:45, Haryana to Bihar 6:45 to 7:30. And also you can link the themes over here. So we will talking about SDG 1, which is no poverty, which again is a broader theme, but still we are giving you a theme as compared to just giving you everything to read about. So now today you will receive the themes, you can see, and you will also see in your WhatsApp groups. So you have themes to prepare. One day prior you will have the topics to prepare, and couple of hours prior you will have your sites along with the topic to prepare. Now what are the next step that we are looking to do after this call? Correct, at 6:30 all of you will do introduction of yours in the WhatsApp group. You will tell your name, your grade, and your state. I am from Punjab. My name is Kamal, and I am in 4th grade. I'm just giving example. Okay, I'm not in 4th grade. So that your team members can know, okay, Kamal is from Punjab and I'm also from Punjab. So why don't we talk to each other? Then you can, save his number and ping him and ask. Obviously, the 4 to 6 is going to be parents. So we like parents to interact, or the students to interact by themselves as compared to we creating the groups. We will try to touch base in one day if you are able to do it. If not, then we will try to help it. But we prefer, that's the reason that we created WhatsApp group. And that's the thrill of debating now, that is going to be a team game and you getting know each other. This time going to be a great add on to as compared to other skills that you develop in debating, that meeting new people, interacting them, and working along with them in improving your debating skills. WhatsApp group is already there. Well, that's primarily written down. If you know your team that the two more students are there from Punjab, then you can create a WhatsApp group, decide, these are the themes, these are the topic, who is your captain. So for example, on say 29th, someone is not available at 4:45. So then you decide that, okay, from Team Punjab, at the toss of a coin, Kamal will go or Kamal will not go because Kamal has any additional or other commitment. And you decide, you order the topic. These things you have to decide. As a team member, one captain will be there that you will decide, and he will tell us that I will go for the toss of the coin, and 1, 2, 3 is the speaker order. It's like as cricket, that who gonna go for the first round, second round, and third round. And then last, we are sharing some reference so you can read about the upcoming SDGs as the themes that you are. For example, for no poverty, life below water. From these resources, you can go and look out for the program or the course primarily related to your SDG. So you are comfortable before going into the specific topic, the broader idea of these topics, these themes. So you are much more comfortable that why we are debating about them. What is the major agenda as a country, as a world. Now I'm finishing it up. You will receive all this presentation in your group. And if there is any change in the schedule, we will let you know, but that's unlikely to happen. But we will let you know. But this PPT will be shared on your group, so you have everything with you. Okay. Now I'm opening to the questions one by one. You can raise virtual hands, and then I will come to the student and they can ask the question. With that, let me go with the Gunant Singh Pawa. Gunant, please ask your question.
Hi. Okay. So my question is that, so are you creating the WhatsApp group for the team, or like we are only supposed to create it? Because I was confused at that part.
Okay. So the most important thing, at 6:30, all of you will do your introduction in the WhatsApp group. I am Gunant from 6th grade, from X school and X city and X state. So Gunant, 6th grade, DPS, Amritsar, say Punjab team. So when you do it, then you can see, because it's a small group of 26 students, then you can see that 2 more students from Punjab are there. Then you can save their number and at least talk to them. Today we will not intervene. Till Saturday we will not intervene. We want you to intervene by yourself. That skill we want you to develop, how to talk to your peers. Hope that answer your question, Gunant. Now I go to the another one. Avyukt, yes, Avyukt, Dev, Goel. I will come to everyone. We have 13 minutes. Yeah.
So I was just taking like screenshots along the way. So I just saw are the schedules for Tuesday and Wednesday the same?
No worries. We will share the PPT with you. So even if you have not taken the screenshots, we will share the PPT with you. So you have everything with you. It will be in your group.
I have one more question.
Okay.
In like the WhatsApp group, it said that there was like some specific format. Do we what was that about?
Okay. So in the round 2, we are following a very simple Asian parliamentary format, that there are 3 students in each team, team A and team B. What we will have the theme, the topic, and then the first team, which we called as who is
the one you
speaking
just
for the
said right
side.
now.
Yes, proponent and the opponent.
Yeah.
Proponent, first speaker will go speak for 3 minutes. Opponent will go speak for 3 minutes, and then subsequently. In the round 3, it will become a bit more complex, because then we will follow World School Debating Championship, where the POIs will be allowed, where reply speech will be there, but that's not for this round. It's just the introduction of the team. Okay. Hope I answer your questions. Now let me go to the Soham C. Dalal. Soham.
Yeah, good evening, sir. So I just had a doubt. Like, let's say that my teammate in the team, he or she doesn't respond or something, and the debate is in some time. And what should we do if we have only 2 speakers?
Okay, that's a very good question. So that's why you need to touch base with your team very early prior. So we want everyone in the 1-2 days. By Saturday, you should be very comfortable. Hopefully by Saturday you will at least get a time so all 3 of you can talk to each other once. Because even if we create a WhatsApp group, ultimately you have to interact with them. We will not tell you that you're gonna read this part or do the research. That's one. Now, if on the last day, let's suppose the internet doesn't work, or if one is not able to join for whatever reason, and they agree till that time, then we will allow from a team of 3 that one speaker can do twice speech. Obviously the content need to be different. So for example, Soham, Jasreen and Gurant are part of same team, and let's suppose Soham is not able to join for whatever reason, his internet is working, then we'll ask, and that's why you need to coordinate it, that your speech is also with Jasreen, and Jasreen was the first speaker, now she can also be the last speaker. But that's only in the exception. Otherwise you can see your team likely to lose in that scenario. Okay. I'm on mute. Jasreen Kaur.
Sir,
Jasreen?
can you tell that you will decide the order of the speakers?
No. That we will not decide. That the team will decide. Now it's gonna be the team. It's you 3 students decide which one is more comfortable with what. Okay. With that, let me go to Atharav Assist.
Yes, sir. So I wanted to ask that how do we communicate or interact with our teammates, sir? Like except WhatsApp?
Okay. I guess all of your questions is primarily about the teammate. So one is a WhatsApp, and if you take their number, maybe you can call them, and maybe you can interact with the Zoom. So primarily we looking at this point of time through the WhatsApp. As I said, we will take a feedback from each of you by the Saturday and sees what are the current level of mutual understanding, mutual communication. Have you formed a team group or not? If not there, then we'll try to intervene, but at grade, because that's also a skill. They are just friends, they are your state team fellows. You might go to the finals, then you need to talk to them. So we want you to actually learn and talk to them. Otherwise, at the last case, we will check by ourselves on the Saturday, but by that time you would have missed 2 days.
Yes,
Sure.
sir. Thank you.
Okay. Then let me go to the Prab Simran. Yes, you also have.
Sir, actually, I want to ask you that how can we decide that the particular child is our captain? So
Okay,
that
so
will become a really large fight between
okay,
three
so
players.
don't make it so much complicated. The idea is fun. If all three of you can be at the toss of a coin, that's great. The idea is that sometime, only one of the team member can come to the toss of the coin. That's one. And the second is that the one person who has more time available and can take more responsibility. So, for example, let's say Manya, Garg, Prab, and Sachi are the part of a team. So you want to talk before the match or before, say, a Monday match at least 4 times or 3 times. Now, due to some reason, Manya can't come in all the scheduled time that the other person has. Then the captain take the responsibility that he will talk to Manya and then communicate to the other person. So it's just about the availability of time. That's all. It's not, and it's always going to be you deciding. We will not intervene in that.
And sir, I am in Punjab team, so we got the topic as no poverty. So, sir, we have to learn. We have to research on that only now.
Yes. Now you have to research on that part. And one day prior, which will be, for example, let's suppose if your match is on Monday, I don't know the schedule, then you will one day prior. That means by the Sunday afternoon, you will receive your topic. So then you will go from larger theme to specific topic. And then 3 hours prior, you will just move to your side. So on
My match is on Wednesday, so I'll get the topic on Tuesday now.
Tuesday, that's correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sachi, 5th C, Billabong High School.
Sir, it's Sachi again.
My
And
bad, I keep saying you're incorrect.
no
I
problem,
should
sir.
learn it.
And sir, I have a couple of questions. So I wanted to ask that topic will be known only 45 minutes prior, the complete topic.
That's for the no. That's for the senior students. For your batch, 4 to 6, topics will be given one day prior, 24 hours prior.
So we need to just communicate in that one day.
So for example, I'm just assuming that your match is on, say, Monday, 4 p.m. So you will receive your
Yes.
topic by the Sunday, 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. Okay. Then for 3 hours, you will focus on reading about both for and con. You will look at both proponent as well as the opposition. When the toss of a coin is there, then whoever is your captain, they will communicate to you that your side is now going for the side. So now you will entire focus of your team will just shift on speaking for the side. So your earlier research will help you in both ways, because when you are researching, you will do both sides, and that we wanted, that you are able to see that you as a person and your opponent, how the difference of thinking is there. Were you able to think the same point that your opponent is thinking, and are you able to give a reply to them?
Okay. So we'll get to know about, like, the theme is already given, right? So we'll just get to know 45 minutes prior to the match whether we are for or against, and we need to prepare in 45 minutes for the match. Okay. The next question I have, that all the topics, the toss will be done between 3 to 3:15 only.
Yes. So as I shared that I will share the PPT within your group, so you can see the exact time when the toss will be there.
Okay, so day 3, the slide of day 3, it doesn't have Maharashtra there.
Okay.
It
Let me
has
check.
in day 1, it has in day 2, but it doesn't have in day 3.
Maharashtra for the junior category. It's on the day one. It's 7 to 7:45, day one.
It's there on day 2 also at the same timing against Tamil
No,
Nadu.
it's for different. It's for 10th to 12th. Just let me
Okay.
share my screen. So one, we're running short of the time because another orientation will start. So you look at, this is what you're saying. Day 2 schedule, Maharashtra to Tamil Nadu. That's a great category, 10th to 12th, and you falls here actually. 4 to 6,
Okay.
Maharashtra.
Okay, sir. And the so we can't ask like questions to each other. We have it speech wise only. The
Yeah. So
debate.
no. So for example, when for example the first speaker, they don't ask generally questions, but the second speaker, they can ask questions in their replies itself. So for example, if I am the second speaker of the first side, then I will come, I will explain my point, and I say that the opposition team mentioned about this thing, and which seems to me implausible to me because I've never seen an example. Or it could be possible, but in real life, that's just a one scenario. I could explain 99 scenario in a different context. So I don't think that that particular example really fits over here.
And that couldn't be done in the first speech.
Look, the idea of a first speech is, that's why I said it, that you need to decide
Introduction.
the idea of a first speech is the introduction of the topic itself, what side you are referring to, why you believe your side is good.
Okay. And in the second one, we can put forward the questions at the end of discussing our point.
Yes, and the third is primarily about, again, imposing that your side is good, your side is persuasive, and the idea is that whichever side you belongs to, correct, if your side get wins and people buy your idea, then the world will be a better place, whatever the problem is, correct. We are looking at primarily SDGs as a problem, that your solution, your methodology is way better as compared to other one. That gonna be the concluding speech, that let's go with this
Okay.
path and sort of go in that direction.
Okay, so and sorry, sir. Last thing, then what is the theme meaning for Maharashtra? I didn't understand. What does it mean?
Okay. Rani, sorry, responsible consumption and protection, is that what you meant?
Yeah.
SDG 12?
Yes.
Okay, so we consume a lot of things. So for example, consuming plastic so there are a lot of questions around it. For example, and it relate to other things. Should we let people take control of, for example, even say pollution? Should we let people, if someone has the buying capacity, should they buy 10 cars, 20 cars, or should as a government control it? That no, we can't allow people to have 20, 30 cars. We should just say that per family 10 cars are like 3 cars are allowed, 1 cars are allowed, or multiple ways. Whatever we consume, should we have our houses forcefully by government eco-friendly, or should we not? So whatever we think consume, that need to be looked upon. Can we make it more eco-friendly? Should we do it? Should we not do it? How to incentivize, not to incentivize it? Okay, I hope your questions are there. You have, sure.
It's done. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, Anjali Tiwari also has a question. I don't know. Ratnab, can you go?
Yes, sir. I have two questions. Number one, if we cross our time limit a little bit, does it affect does it have like negative impact on our performance? And my
Okay,
second question,
sure.
sir, my second question is, if we don't speak loud enough or if we don't like use a lot of hand movement, does it like have negative impact on our performance?
Okay, so I guess you have not put your camera on. So now it's very clear. In the first round, we have allowed it for some exceptions because the internet was on there and your schedule was moving. In the round two, so first question you mentioned about it was related to being loud. Sorry, Ratnab, you can ask. I guess you asked two questions.
Kamal,
Ask one new
two
question.
things she asked, that if she is not clear and loud, does it matter? Of course it does. Try to be clear. So students of grade 4 to 6, we have the grade 7 to 9 joining in. If you can please put your questions on the chat group, we will get back to you. But we must finish the orientation with them as well. I'm sure there will be many questions as we go along. We will make sure that the WhatsApp group is used to communicate all the answers. So if you have not asked your questions right now, can you please put all your questions on the chat group, please? Kamal sir, you can take one final question before the 7th graders come in.
Sure. And just to Ratna point, one is obviously you need to be loud because we as adjudicators are looking to judge you based on your speech. Second is, look, matter, manner, and method. Manner is primarily how you're speaking, your body language, everything reflects that part of it. So you need to put your camera on, you need to be clearly visible. Okay. Now I'm going with Bhavin Vyas. That's the last question. Yeah. Bhavin, you go.
So I have two questions. Do we need, first question is, do we need to send our audio or a video
No,
or introduction part?
no, you can just send in the text message or the
Okay,
audio
sir.
message.
Yeah, just one more question, Kamal, that I'm getting directly. Just you can post it on the group also, all children, that you all are going to introduce yourself first on the WhatsApp group, like Kamal sir said. Kamal Kashyap, grade 4, Team Punjab. When you do that, all the other students are able to identify that, okay, he is a part of my team. And then you can go ahead and create a WhatsApp group between yourselves, right? And we see this as a function of leadership skills. So we will encourage you to do that. And now amongst yourselves, when you discuss, you will get to know each other. You can do a toss of the coin or decide amongst each other who can lead the coin toss. Okay, I'm very sure you all are capable of doing it. We look forward and wish you the best to do it. There is no negative marking. Okay, to the question that I think Abhiraj Jad is asking, there is no negative marking. But when the time's up, we will obviously press a bell so that you are able to conclude your point. So with that, Kamal, maybe we can ask them to, we are not making captains for you. You all are. So we are not going to comment on who's going to be the captain. Between three of us, three of you, you all decide who's going to play what role. Okay. Okay. So with that, grade 4s and grade 6, it was lovely to meet you all. Many congratulations to make till here. Please feel free to use the WhatsApp group to post more questions because a lot more questions will come. Okay, and we will make sure that we answer all of them. With that, may I request grade 4s and grade 6 to please exit the call and we will be in touch. My very best of you.